Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the most awaited video for which I was personally waiting for such a long time, because since I've posted this post on my LinkedIn, I've been receiving so many messages that how should we prepare for exam and what tips did you follow to clear 2 exams at once. So I have curated all the important, these are all the FM tips and these are all the double A tips. If you need this PDF, just let me know. I'll just attach it in the description box. So I'm going to start with the FM tips first. So the first tip is section C. Okay, so the first tip is section C. You should be very proficient in section C. Now I'm not talking about कि आपको calculations में best होना चाहिए. See, if you don't know calculations, you cannot attempt the paper. तो मैं सेक्शन सी में कैलकुलेशंस की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वर्किंग नोट्स. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ डू यू प्रेजेंट योर आंसर. द होल थिंग इज प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके, यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर हाउ टू प्रेजेंट योर आंसर. यू शुड नॉट बी देयर कि हाँ मैंने कैलकुलेशन कर दिया तो मेरे बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होगा प्लीज़. ओके, आपकी जो वर्किंग नोट्स हैं अच्छे से होना चाहिए. यू शुड एड्रेस इट की वर्किंग नोट्स. वन, दिस इज फॉर व्हाट इज depreciation, tax allowable depreciation, TAT benefit. You writing it, mention it. Number 1 working note, number 2 working note, number 3 working note. I'll be attaching some screenshots of my PDF of my spreadsheets that I did before the exam, so that because so moreover this video is for those students for whose last month is left. Like this is for the June attempt is coming. So for the people, there was a question asked by one student that please can you let us know how should we prepare in the 3 months period. So I'll make that video, because if I'm gonna include each and every part in this video, it will get a lot. Currency science जरूर mention करके आना, because वहाँ से आपको extra marks मिल सकते हैं. Seriously, मतलब बहुत अच्छा होता है आइडिया. ठीक है, आप जैसे कि whatever your dollars NPV में आंसर आ रहा है, please do in currency. If you're gonna select the whole table, then there is an option in the spreadsheets. You can go and you can select the currency dollar and you can show in the question. It will make your question so attractive, so presentable. The examiner will be very happy. Okay, and one more thing, please do all the calculations within the cell. Don't be like कि हाँ मैं तो कैलकुलेटर से कर दूंगी, उसके बाद मैं उसमें मेंशन कर दूंगी. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. Your conclusion should not look like this. It should not be कि if the NPV is positive, the project is financially acceptable. मतलब एक एस्पायरिंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ये लिख के आ रहा है, वाओ, इंटरनेशनल यूके का पेपर दे रहे हो, ये मत लिख के आना कि हाँ फाइनेंशियली एक्सेप्टेबल है. अच्छे से अमाउंट मेंशन करके आनी है. मैं यहाँ पे अटैच कर दूंगी किस तरह लिख के आना है, उससे आपके कंक्लूजन के भी मार्क्स मिलेंगे. नाउ लेट्स हेड टू द सेकंड पार्ट, दैट इज टाइम मैनेजमेंट. टाइम मैनेजमेंट शुड बी द कोर आइडिया अभी. ठीक है, बिकॉज आपने फर्स्ट 2 months में आपने अच्छी सारी प्रैक्टिस कर ली है. मेरे अकॉर्डिंग आई एम प्री अज्यूमिंग इट दैट योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर क्रिस्टल एंड क्लियर. सो talking about the time management, please according to ACCA, your each and every mark is for 1.8. For example, section C question, when we get a 20 marker question, if you multiply it with 1.8, you get 36 minutes. This is the ideal time according to ACCA that you should invest doing a question. Okay, so you should divide your whole thing like that. You should invest your time in that manner, because I don't want you be investing 2 hours in section C and then be thinking yes section A भी बड़ा lengthy था. See, you cannot please, you should be clear with these things. Now the next thing is examiner reports. Non-negotiable things. Okay, non-negotiable examiner reports का बल्कि मैं I'll also attach a link in the description box so that you don't get you don't get confused कि कहाँ पे examiner reports. वैसे तो मिल जाती हैं, but still to the fellow ACC students who are not aware of examiner reports, I think so everyone is, but still I'll attach it. Okay, so examiner reports ऐसा नहीं है कि बस ठीक है मार्च टर्म की पढ़ लूँगी या फिर मैं दिसंबर की पढ़ लूँगी. नहीं, you have to read all the examiner reports. 3-4 तो कर लेना. When I used to read my examiner reports, I used to solve the questions that used to come in the examiner reports, because that is examiner के according वो tough questions हैं जो students नहीं attempt कर पाए, तो आपको वो आने चाहिए. ठीक है. Now the third tip is the fourth tip is CB practice platform. सबको पता है, फिर भी मैं इसका भी लिंक अटैच कर दूंगी अगर हो पाया तो. CB practice platform में अपने आप को first of all you have to search for your exam whichever for you are preparing for, and then you have to assign yourself the practice tests. I think so till now the mock test is also live in the ACC hub. Now the fifth one is mocks. So I got a question that how many mocks did you attempted? I attempted 5 mocks with full written how to attempt, like full section A, section B and section C. Now the 7th one is doubts. प्लीज जैसे कि when I was preparing for my FM ना, within the first 2 months whatever doubts I got, I made a separate sheet in my spreadsheet that I had my own spreadsheet. I made another sheet named doubts. Okay, so I used to attach the screenshots. I used to write how to attempt this. So if after, for example, if if my exam is on 1st of June, so at 25th May I used to revisited all the doubts, like okay game doubt हुआ था अभी, हाँ मुझे clear है कि नहीं clear है, okay I have to revisit it. Now the 8th one is typing speed. This is something that I don't think so कि अभी तक कोई बच्चा इसको नहीं समझ पाया. You know this कि ACC conducts the exam on a PC, on a computer. It is not a handwritten exam. So don't you expect कि मैं तो notes बनाऊंगी और वहाँ लिखाऊंगी, नहीं. Please do each and everything on laptop. If you're making any PDF, do it on laptop. If you're studying any of the text, do it on, no, text is not to be done on laptop, sorry. Okay, so if you're writing notes, if you're making notes, do it on laptop. For example, this is my notebook that I use, this is my notebook that I used for my FM. You can see this is all the formulas I used to write. I also made the whole notes, but I filled all this rows, all the examples, all the formulas, okay? If anyone needs this, please tell me. I used to write all the notes, but I used to keep the copy here. I used to write all the things by myself so that in AA also I get my good typing speed, because I don't want to face any difficulty in my exam. I know how I have to attempt the exam. I know what should be done in the exam. So I don't want to waste the time in over there कि यार सब typing करें, मैं typing तो बड़ी slow है. If I'm just typing F R O M enter space, if you're doing this that will not make your exam clear. Okay, please अभी भी आप पास 20 days हैं, अभी भी आप typing speed अपनी इतनी बढ़ा नहीं सकते हो, but still you can manage it. Okay? Now the 10th tip is, this was given by my father when I was going to the exam center. The 10th tip is, during the exam keep drinking a sip of water. But during the exam, please follow this step that, while attempting the whole question, the whole pattern, each and every part, please drink a sip of water so that you can manage the stress. You don't get so anxious in the exam. When I attempted my first paper, I was not aware about this tip. So I was getting so depressed. I was like crying कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है? I'm not able to answer the question. But with God's faith, I just passed that exam. Oh my God, it was hell. Okay. Now the 11th question is, if you don't know the number one question, don't be like, oh shit, I don't know the number one question, I am done with the exam. No. Please move forward, flag that question, come at the question after the whole exam, like after you have attempted the whole, whole paper, come to the questions and do it. Even if you don't know the answer, please just तुक्का मारो, the most, जो आपकी gut feeling कहते हैं ना वो कराना, because इसमें negative marking तो होती नहीं है, तो don't worry, okay? Now the next step is 12th. What I did, during the exam, like this is the last month, so if you have not practiced, what I'll tell you is, please do questions from BPP kit. In starting, you'll be like, यार ये concepts मुझे नहीं आते हैं. 5 questions करने के बाद आपको यही लगेगा कि मुझे concepts नहीं आते हैं, but it is not like that. It will build your confidence in the exam, because I have seen that in the real exam, the questions and the wording of the questions is very similar to the BPP kit. Okay, so please do the questions from BPP kit, especially for section C, and after that pick up your Kaplan kit, and over there whichever questions were not in the BPP kit, attempt that. Do that by your own hands, by understanding each and every instruction, so that you'll be good at it. Okay, now the next is, so I have this table that I got from a teacher. It was in Study Hub, and it is a very important question, and I think it may come in the exams. So please do this, and it is a very nice question. It will help you a lot. Okay. Now the next question is Study Hub questions. If you have flagged some of the questions in the Study Hub, I will let you know from the personal experience. In the exam, I witnessed very many questions from Study Hub, like the wording was also the same. So Study Hub से questions आते हैं. Do that. The next part is, don't just focus on don't be like यार मुझे practicals तो बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं, I don't care about theory. No, in the exam 50% is of theory and 50% is of practical. So you have to focus on all the parts equally, because in the section A, what I witnessed was that 7 questions were of theory, 7 questions were of calculations, practical questions, and the 8 questions were of theory. So please be sure about that you have a good conceptual clarity about all the study text. If you want any of the questions, I have the PDFs and you can text me, I can give you. And also please do that topic that is foreign exchange wala. That is a very important topic. Okay, in the section B, I have seen in all the CBE practice platforms and the mocks, each and every mock I've seen that सेक्शन बी में इट ऑलवेज कम्स द केस स्टडी दैट फॉरेन एक्सचेंज वाला. उसमें से 5 क्वेश्चन उसके बारे में होते हैं. 2 क्वेश्चन वर ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल, 3 क्वेश्चन वर ऑफ थ्योरी. सो प्लीज बी ग्रेट एट इट. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज 16 question. If you'll see in the section C, there is always a question. Please explain NPV and IR. Explain the Islamic instruments, or what is that? All the common topics that come in the section C theory part. So I'll be attaching some of the screenshots over here, so you can see I have the PDF. You have to learn those things, okay? So I have not, I don't know where is that. Take a printout of all those PDFs. If you are in any of the academy, they might have given you the PDFs. If you don't have, you can guys seriously text me. These are the very gold PDFs. There are all the questions covered which come in the exam. These are the repeated questions and more of the content is written, as you can see in the pictures. So you can get it from me. You can text me on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. Just I'll also be attaching the link in the description box, so you can follow me, and if you have any queries related to ACC, you can just. So the 17th step about which I was talking was that please don't write one-liners in the theory. Don't expect that after writing just one sentence you're gonna get 5 marks. Please write the theory like this. Now the 19th step, please keep practicing, keep doing, keep revisiting topics. Don't revisit lectures, please यार, ये तो मत करना. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आप एक बार मुझे भी भेज सकते हो. I'll try if I can do. And moreover, I was also saying that I have received 1 or 2 people's message that we are not able to crack NPV, we are not able to do cost of capital. See, I can arrange sessions for you guys if you want. That will be just tailored for you guys. You can just text me that कि हमें section C में problem आ रहा है. I will make a 20-day planner or a 10-day planner, so where we will understand the questions, understand how we have to attempt. I will teach each and everything from a zero point of view, so that in the exam you don't be there कि यार काश वो एक सेशन ले लेते तो मेरा क्या पता हो ही जाता. तो आई एम वेरी गुड इन सेक्शन सी. पर्सनली सच में बहुत अच्छी हूँ सेक्शन सी में. इफ यू वांट एनी सेशंस, यू कैन टेक्स्ट मी ऑन दिस लिंक्डइन एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो. आई विल शेयर द लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल ऑफ माइन, एंड इफ यू वांट एनी टेलर्ड सेशंस फॉर यू गाइज, फॉर योर सेल्फ, आई कैन मेक दैट. आई कैन मेक यू स्कोर गुड बिकॉज आई एम ब्रिलियंट इन सेक्शन सी. In my what is that, examiner review, that is after you get your result, you get that, I'm not remembering the exact name. Over there was also written that you are able to attempt the AFM paper because your concepts are very clear and you were above the passing area. So I know that I am very good at section C. I'll also tag the screenshot. So if you want a tailored session for yourself, please text me once and I'll be arranging for that. Okay. So now the 20th thing, that is the most personal thing. My teacher taught me that don't eat junk food during the exam. Don't be like कि हाँ मैं अभी ramen खा रही हूँ साथ में questions practice कर रही हूँ. It is not cool. It is not cool. Because in the exam, while during the exams, your body should be more effective and efficient rather than being lazy. Because your body you expect that you have to wake up at 4 a.m. and sleep at 12 a.m. So for that, you cannot be surviving on a ramen or just surviving on noodles. Please eat nice food. Please eat healthy food so that your brain works nicely. And eat lighter food. Don't be like यार सोची मैं मैं तो आज बड़ी बड़ी थालियाँ खाऊंगी फिर पढ़ूंगी. इससे आपको स्लीप ज़्यादा आएगी एंड मोर ओवर आपकी जो बॉडी का ज़्यादा एनर्जी है वो खाने को, बॉडी की एनर्जी कहाँ पे लगती है, डाइजेस्ट करने में. सो मोर ओवर आपकी जो बॉडी की एनर्जी है वो ज़्यादा खाने को डाइजेस्ट करने में लगेगी रादर देन प्रैक्टिसिंग द क्वेश्चन. सो प्लीज़ ईट हेल्दी फूड एंड बैलेंस डाइट फॉर एग्जाम्स. And moreover, I want to tell you guys that for example, when I started my preparation, I had the financial management Kaplan ki hai. You can see I used to solve like this for the exams. And if you are getting any concept that is weaker, please take a printout before sleeping read all the things that you're having in doubt, and after 5 days or 1 week you'll be very clear in that topic. You know, you'll be just thinking, हाँ ये तो मुझे आता है, अब तो मुझे अच्छे से आ गया, and you'll feel the confidence, and that way you can crack the exam very nicely. So for the PDFs also, you can text me if you have any question. You can text me for that. I will answer you personally. And moreover, there are so many PDFs that I have. I have a cheat sheet, formula cheat sheet. I have the repeated questions sheet. Over there, what you have to do, just take out the printout and keep it at your bedside. And before sleeping, आधा घंटा सोने से पहले, just revisit, get an overview of all the questions. Okay, इसमें ये आया है, okay, इसमें ये है, okay, ठीक है. इस तरह से आप अपना एग्जाम बहुत अच्छे से क्रैक कर पाओगे. एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स यू आर अपेयरिंग फॉर जून अटेम्प्ट. यू गोना डू इट यार. देखो मैंने कर लिया तो आप भी कर सकते हो. मैं देखो कैसी लग रही हूँ आपको. आपको लगता है मैं पढ़ने वाली बच्ची हूँ? नहीं हूँ मैं, सच में नहीं हूँ. सच में आई एम नॉट किडिंग, आई एम नॉट लाइक फ्लेक्सिंग. अरे अरे मैं तो नहीं जी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं बिल्कुल पढ़ने वाली बच्ची नहीं हूँ. तो बट स्टिल दिस इज अ स्मार्ट स्ट्रैटेजी, यू कैन मेक इट. ओके, आई विल ट्रस्ट ऑल द की पॉइंट्स. लाइक ऐसा नहीं मैं बोलूँगी कि हाँ जी इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसे आंसर करना है, ऐसे देने का मेरा इतना, भाई मैं आपको बोलूँगी आप उस तरह करो ना करो, उसका मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता. दैट्स वाई आई गेव यू द कोर ट्रिप्स जो हम भूल जाते हैं, बट ये करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स गाइज. यू कैन डू दैट. प्रैक्टिस 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 प्रैक्टिस. एंड आई गॉट this question that from where did the questions, how did you, which kits did you use? For section A and B, I used the whole study hub. I did the study hub twice, and I did the study hub twice, and I also did full BPP kit for section A, B, C. and study hub के लिए मैंने सारा study hub करा था. So I just follow study hub and BPP kit. I don't rely on Kaplan kit because I feel that it is more easier after doing 3 to 4 questions, and when you'll just go to the BPP kit, the first question you cannot able to solve. So I feel the difference. That's why baki everyone has their own choice. Everyone has their personal opinions. So I don't want to comment on that because that is a contradicting fact. So this is my experience, what I did in my exams. So you can, if you want to follow these steps, you can. And if you don't want to follow these, because I think so one of any of the tips out of 21 tips, one tip will really help you. So if you like the video, you can subscribe, you can like, and please share with your friends who are appearing in the June attempt. They will help them. And please comment down because this is my first video, and if I'm supporting you guys, I expect the support as well. Please make my channel a good spot for every AC student.